How do I plan out my video shoot? Focus areas today are shots and angles, illustrating your storyboard, shot lists and audio, and writing your script. Try experimenting with different types of shots, close-ups, far away, and different angles to help illustrate and bring in your audience. This is a fun activity that makes your video more fun for you and for the viewer. Here are some examples of teaching artists using different shots and angles.
What shapes can we make with this? How can we make a flower?
Ask the child to pick up the spoon and to first tap on the cup that is most full.
Most importantly, on one piece of paper, write the words spaghetti dance party.
Is there a story the stone has to tell you? I looked at it and I sketched it a few times, decided to give it a name. I named it Tyrannosaurus Rocks and just wrote down some of my observations, and it sort of turned into this poem.
At the count of 4, you ask the children to grow, pushing up through the dirt to make a green sprout small shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, take a sprout shape. More rain and sunshine sprinkles. And then you count 4 more and the children take a medium tree shape.
Find a place with a colorful background, plants or pictures in the background. Find different locations to film for different parts of your activity to diversify shots and locations. Illustrate storyboard. This is a blank storyboard template, and this is a storyboard template filled in with each scene from your film illustrated with notes underneath. How do we start? We can start with the first shot, and it's the introduction. There's some title cards, and this is where we think we'll want to film, somewhere like this. This is Tony Gomez. Okay, the next shot, people will be sitting down doing the exercise, and then maybe we'll go back to him talking. Great, people sitting down somewhere like this. Yeah, doing the exercise. Let's keep on going. Okay, we'll go back to them doing the exercise, go back to some more explanation. You want to keep on filling out the storyboard, all different necessary steps, even if there's repetition, just so you have a really clear idea. You're illustrating the video that's in your mind, so all the different steps are there, including in this last panel we see, a note to change the camera angle because now people are standing to do the exercise. And we'll go into the shot list to explain how best to do that process. A shot list helps us break down where we need to film when and what shots go together. So for example, position 2, which is scene 2, shot 1, is half the panels in the storyboard. We need to make sure that all of these are filmed at the same time so there's consistency and also that the camera is not moved. Voiceover and B-roll can be really great tools to engage your audience so that it's not just talking head footage. Voiceover, as noted here in the storyboard, is from other video sequences. In scene 2, shot 1, the voiceover of the warm-up activity is coming from scene 2, shot 2. You can do a video sequence where you record yourself on video doing everything that would be used for the voiceover. Voiceover does not need to be recorded just as an audio file. Antonio Gomez also created a detailed script with notes on what's happening in the video and graphic title cards. This is one example of how you could write a script, but most importantly, write out what you plan on saying, as seen in the first column. Use your script, shot list, and storyboard to have a successful film shoot.